Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to learn how to capture a screenshot of a web element, which is the part of Selenium 4's new feature. It means in our older version of Selenium, we're able to take a screenshot of a whole, your entire screen, not for any specific element. Example, if you want to take a screenshot of this text field, in driver 3 version or previous version is not able to do this, but sometimes we need a screenshot for a specific element that help us to debug any issue or any failed that makes more specific. Okay, so through Selenium 4, we're able to do this, and the method is going to work. Get screenshot as method, and then inside that there will be argument we have to pass. So what would be the type of the file that we're getting a screenshot. Then we're going to use file util. So this is the common method we use even older version too. Let's see that. So what would be the, so we're going to, our testing scenario will be, again, we'll type over here in this text field, say Selenium, or enter any name, and then, we'll take a screenshot for this field. Let's see how can we do this. Okay. And before that, let me inspect this. Okay. I think we can use ID or XPath. We'll use the XPath. Okay. Let's go to our Eclipse. So I created one class. It's called screenshot test. Okay, and let's put our common code, which is to initialize our driver. Okay, hover mouse. Okay, Control Shift O. So it will import all the related package. Okay, and after that, we'll say let's go to over here, copy the this is the XPath of this element, and then get back to here. We'll type here driver dot find element by dot XPath, and this is the value of the XPath. Okay, and then we want to send keys to type something. So let's type say example, whatever your name, right? Say I'm putting my name, Shariful. Okay, so let's put this one in a variable. It's called name, or I will say my name. Okay, my name, and then it would be WebElement, right? Hover mouse, input the package. Now my name was final by experts and case. Oh, sorry. So it would be string. All right. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's an element we're entering. Web element. Okay. So why it's giving me error? Okay. Mismatch cannot convert the void to web element. Sorry, that's sometimes. Okay, we can't add, right? So over here, we cannot add the send case, the same line, because we're returning is in a web element, but send case it's not. Okay, it doesn't work with that. So now we can say my name dot. Now we can say send case, and then pass the what do you want to say, Shariful. Okay. Okay, and so now we want to get the screenshot after we type for this my name field. We want to get the screenshot. So let's copy the my name. So we want to get the screenshot. To get the screenshot, we'll say my name dot then get a screenshot. You can see get a screenshot as, and output it would be, you have to pass the output over here. Output type dot file. Okay, so we're going to the output we're declaring as a file. And let's put this one in a variable is called src source file, and then return type would be file. Okay, because it is a file. Like hover mouse, import the package related file java.io. Okay, so now this source file variable have the knowledge, about the screenshot of my name or WebElement my name element. Okay, and it is in where this source file, this variable is holding this element as a screenshot. It's in Java heap or virtual memory. It isn't up there. So we have to, copy that file, this source file from there, from Java virtual memory, and we have to, paste. We have to paste in some physical location, like project level. Okay, somewhere we have to paste it up here. Then we'll able to see. Otherwise, right now we're not able to see it, right? So to do this, we have a class called util class, util file, or file utils, file in Selenium, file utils. So file utils dot, so put me a dot here, dot, but I'm not seeing this file utils any supported class here. Hover mouse is not showing my package. Let's hold Control Shift O. No package got imported, so that's fine. There is a, for the file util class, we know there is a jar or package in mbn repository. There is a commons IO. It's called commons -io. Search up there, Apache commons IO. So this is the the Apache is the team who built this the package or projects, commons IO. So go there, and then let's get the latest version, and then here let's get the copy. So you can download the jar file and you can import your project, or you can take this the code. So I'm going to use the code. Let's go back to there and open our pom.xml file and puts under your dependency. Okay, puts on your dependency as a, so this one, save it, go back to your class here. So here, hover mouse. So now it should save it or update the project, refresh the project, file utils. Okay, so after you put the dot, okay, you can see now it's showing the some of the method underneath this class. Okay, so the method would be the copy file. So type copy file. You can see copy file. So here is a related method, the copy file, and it has a 2 argument. You have to pass file source file and file destination file. Let's click on there. Okay, so here, so what we're saying that there is a method called copy file underneath the file utils class. So this copy file will help us to copy the file we have inside this source file, this object. Okay, here, so we're saying the copy file from where? This is the source, and then you have to pass the also destination, the source, destination. You have to pass the destination where is going to be, where want to paste it. So our source file, this is the same variable, that's fine. And over here, our destination would be, we have to pass the destination. Say, okay, so for the destination, you will see, and also you will see that it's for file util error, it's gone because there is a package automatically now imported because that we added this dependency, right? So this is very important. This make sure that you import this commons IO package. Okay, let's go here, and then where is our class screenshot? Sorry. And then here, so we need a destination. So to have our destination, we need to create a object of the file class. So file class, through the file class we can pass our destination. So let's put on of our, so we want to destinate the paste copy that is screenshot in our project level. We want to create a folder here in our project level, say give a name, example test output. Okay, and then inside that we want to put this, store that file. Okay, to do this, let me say we create over here, let me put over here one of our the root directory pass of our project. So it would be, say, system dot get property. So system dot get property, it will help us to set our the root directory path of our project, any path. So we'll say system dot set property. Over here we're going to pass the root directory path, which is user dot directory. So user dot directory is the directory path of our project levels over here in this over here. Okay, system dot get properties, and then sorry, properties, not the properties, it should be get property this one. Okay, and its return is string. Okay, and then put this one, say I would give a name, say project path. Okay, so project path, and then return type would be a string. Okay, so this project path have the path of our project level, and here, so we want to pass over here this, so we want to say the new file, on new object file, we have to pass the path. You can say add argument to match the file string. So we have to pass our argument over here. So what would be the destination? The first destination would be our it's our root directory path, which is the project path, this one, class concatenation, and then I want to create, since it's expect the string, so I want to create a folder inside this project. So this is the path for the project root directory, then folder. So let's create a folder over here, give a name folder, say test-output. Okay, so this is the folder, and inside this folder I have to again use the concatenation and then use the file name. Okay, what would be the file name you want? Okay, say I would say screenshot.png. Okay, screenshot.png, or you can say name or whatever, you can say name.png, so that it's a alert field, right? So that should be, so this is the copy file. Again, we'll copy the file from our source file, and then this is the destination where we want to paste that file physically, place that file physically. Okay, and then driver.quit. Okay, so let's have our mouse, let's run it, save it, run it. Okay, so it's done, and I don't see anything. Let's refresh the project. Oh, here we go. Here you can see the test output. Okay, open that. There is a name, you can say name png, so we give it file name png, double click, it's open that. Okay, you can see, right? So this is the file, or you can just go where this it's stored on your system. You can see up there. Okay, that's the way. Let's close it. That's the way we can take a screenshot of a specific element, and which is the part of our Selenium version 4 features. Thank you.